Be ready, start. Dear members, this is the 31st annual general meeting of the company, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all here on this occasion. The company has had yet another successful year marked by substantial increase both in sales and profits. This was despite very many problems, especially the recurring shortage of raw materials and power cuts, which I am afraid company management must learn to live with in the foreseeable future. In fact, it was the capacity of the management to adapt to the fast changing circumstances which made the satisfactory results possible. In my speech last year, I made a specific reference to a few economic issue which were responsible for the current stagnation in production. More particularly, I had referred of shortage of power, inflation and non-availability of raw materials. I am afraid all these have become more acute during the year. Besides, there has been serious deterioration in the terms of trade as a result of extraordinarily high prices of oils and other commodities, together with shortages of food and other goods. This has now greatly emphasized the crucial importance of import substitution in addition to vigorous effort in at export promotion. In the situation in which we are placed, it is obvious that the former could be achieved in a relative lesser time span than the latter, and thus calls for urgent action. Your company has made its own contribution in this direction by giving great importance to research and development in the past. This has paid off handsomely, and as a consequence of which the company has been able to not only to continuously improve the quality of its products but develop its own know-how for new products. It has also in the process built up a first-class team of scientists and technologists. The new research center under construction at a total capital cost exceeding rupees 2 crores is expected to be completed some time later next year and should provide even better facilities for more creative effort in this area. As the progress of the various projects in hand is listed in the director's report, I do not wish to elaborate on the same here. I may state that the implementation of the projects both in India and abroad is being done with good speed in spite of the many difficulties. Relations with the employee were very cordial during the year. The management is fully conscious that its skilled manpower is a most valuable asset, and increasing attention is being paid to improve their welfare. The management and all employees have given a good account of themselves, and I would like to express the board's very warm appreciation for their fine contribution. My colleagues on the board have been a source of constant guidance, and I am grateful to them for the keen interest shown by them in the company's development. Stop.